Omega-3 plus collagen for women, 45 to 60. The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Please make sure to stick around until the very end. I've got an exclusive free gift for you that will take your results to the next level. Now, let's dive in. If your joints ache when you get up in the morning, your skin feels thinner than it used to, and you are exhausted by noon, this video is made for you. Today you will discover why omega-3 and collagen together might be one of the smartest combinations for women between 45 and 60. We are talking about joints, skin, energy, and inflammation, all in one honest conversation. Let me tell you about Sandra. Sandra is 52. She lives in Columbus, Ohio. She teaches middle school, raises 2 teenagers, and somehow finds time to walk her golden retriever every morning. But about 2 years ago, Sandra started noticing things. Her knees clicked going up the stairs. Her wrists ached after grading papers. Her skin looked dull and felt dry no matter how much water she drank. She was tired in a way that sleep did not fix. Sandra is not unusual. Many women in this age group noticed the same changes. Here is what nobody told Sandra, and what nobody told most of us. The years between 45 and 60 bring real biological shifts. Estrogen drops. Collagen production slows down. Inflammation can rise quietly inside the body. These changes are connected, and understanding that connection changes everything. So let us get into the pillars. 5 things every woman in this age group needs to understand about omega-3 and collagen. Pillar 1 is collagen and why your body starts losing it. Collagen is a protein. Think of it like the scaffolding that holds your body together. It supports your skin, your joints, your bones, your tendons, and even your gut lining. When you are younger, your body makes more of it. But starting in midlife, production naturally declines. Remember, this is not just about appearance. Collagen loss can affect how your body feels every single day. The most studied forms for women in this age range are types 1 and 3 for skin, and type 2 for cartilage and joint support. When you choose a supplement, the type matters. Not all collagen products are the same. Pillar 2 is omega-3 fatty acids and why they matter after 45. Omega-3s are essential fats. Your body cannot make them on its own. You have to get them from food or supplements. The most important forms are EPA and DHA, which come mainly from fish oil. Here is why this matters so much after 45. Inflammation is often part of the pain, stiffness, and slow recovery many women feel in midlife. Omega-3 fatty acids have been studied for their role in supporting a healthier inflammatory response. They do not work overnight. But with consistent use, many people notice meaningful changes over time. The truth is, most women are not getting enough omega-3 from food alone. Salmon is helpful, but many people still fall short. Pillar 3 is why omega-3 and collagen may work better together. This is the part most people miss. Think of collagen as the building material for your joints and skin. Think of omega-3 as the support system that helps create a better environment for repair. One helps build. One helps protect the process. When inflammation is high, your body may struggle to repair tissue as well. Omega-3 can help support that internal environment. Collagen then has a better chance to do its job. Together, they form a practical pairing for women who want to support healthy aging. Remember, supplements are not magic, but the right combination, used consistently, can support how you feel over time. Sandra started taking both. She did not feel a dramatic change in week 1, but by week 8, she noticed her morning stiffness felt less intense. Her skin felt a little more hydrated. She felt more like herself. That is realistic. That is what steady support can look like. Pillar 4 is timing, safety, and how to take them. Let us talk practical. Collagen peptides are often paired with vitamin C because vitamin C supports collagen synthesis. A simple option is taking collagen with a vitamin C source or a vitamin C supplement. For omega-3, take it with your largest meal of the day. That can help absorption and reduce digestive discomfort. Look for a product that lists EPA and DHA clearly. Many people use a combined total of at least 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA as a starting point, though personal needs vary. Always check with your doctor or pharmacist before starting any new supplement, especially if you take medications. Omega-3 in higher doses can interact with blood thinners. That is an important safety step. The truth is, quality matters too. Look for third-party tested omega-3 products. For collagen, hydrolyzed collagen peptides are usually easier to use. Pillar 5 is realistic expectations and what healthy aging actually looks like. Here is the honest part. You will not wake up after 1 week looking 30 again. That is not how biology works. What you can realistically expect with consistency over time is better support for joints, skin hydration, and daily comfort. These changes are usually gradual. They are not dramatic, but they can still be meaningful. Healthy aging is not about reversing time. It is about supporting your body well in the season you are in. Sandra did not turn back the clock, but she got back to feeling more capable in her body. She went back to her morning walks without dreading the first few minutes of movement. That is a real win. And here is something Sandra learned along the way. Consistency matters more than perfection. Missing a day is fine. Missing a month is where results fade. Build these habits into routines you already have. Collagen in the morning. Omega-3 with dinner. Simple. Sustainable. Repeatable. Now let us close all the loops. You came here because something in your body has been shifting. Maybe it is your joints. Maybe it is your skin. Maybe it is a tiredness you cannot explain. You are not imagining it. These changes are real, and they happen to many women in midlife. What you now understand is this. Collagen supports the structure of your skin and joints. Omega-3 supports the environment that helps your body maintain and repair itself. Together, they can be a smart, realistic combination for women 45 to 60. Timing, quality, and consistency matter. And realistic expectations are what make long-term progress possible. Remember, you are not starting over. You are building forward with better information than you had before. Sandra figured that out. So can you. If these videos help you connect the dots with your health, the best way to say thanks is to tap like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps me keep making it free for you. Also, check the description by clicking the More button twice on your screen to grab your free keto ebook and watch your next must-watch video, or just click it here on your screen. This will kickstart your health journey today and skyrocket your chances and your results. Don't miss out. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching.